Okay guys, today we got a 2008 Kia Sportage. Today we're going to be switching out the interior door handle. I'm actually going to be doing both fronts. They're both just wobbling around. This one doesn't work at all. The passenger side kind of works if you can jimmy it, but getting tired of messing with it. So we got two fronts, Dorman part number. This is the passenger side if you need that one, 83560. And then we also have the driver's interior, 83559. So looks like we got a Phillips here. Probably gonna have to pull this panel off. So I'm gonna grab a Phillips and see what we gotta do to get this panel off here. All right guys, so using that Phillips, I got that one bolt out in the center. I'll see if we can gently pry this clip out here. And just like that, it starts coming loose. I'm gonna need two hands for this, so I'll show you guys how I got it off in just a moment. All right guys, so just gently prying right here and over here by the speaker. She just kind of pops out just like that. So slide her out of the way. Let's see here. This whole assembly, this plastic back here, is part of the door handle itself. So it should be held on by a few screws here. Let's see what we're working with. All right, I was able to get some of that plastic out of the way. So we got one Phillips here, and our new part here just shows that one Phillip hole there. And it looks like on the back, she kind of clicks into place with these little notches here. So let's go ahead and remove that Phillips. Okay guys, we got that Phillips removed. And if you see here, sorry, this little notch seats into that hole right back there. So you just slide this back and then pull out. All right, well, I was hoping that we would have enough room to get it out, but it looks like we might have to actually remove the panel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it off. It's really simple anyways. So we got a Phillips here. We should have to pop this panel off. Phillips here. One right here on the side of the door, and one on the bottom of the door. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing those. Okay guys, so we got that Phillips out on the front of the door. We got the bottom one in the middle, and these two out on the outside of the door. And this thing just kind of pops right out with a little pry tool. And you're gonna go ahead and remove these two connectors on your switch. Just pinch down in the front right here and pull out. The same with this one. Pinch down in the front and pull out. So now using the body tool, you might get lucky, probably just do it with your hands, but using the body tool, you're gonna wanna pop these clips out of the door panel and then lift up. Now the only thing holding you now should be this little speaker. And it's just like those other connectors. You're gonna push down and pull out. And set your panel off to the side. Okay guys, so yeah, now we have much more room. So from here, we have the door lock cable and the actual handle cable on the bottom. So it looks like the whole reason that our handle wasn't working was this clip wasn't even in. But I already got the, oh no, look, there's the broken spring. But so from here, these two cables pop out the top here. And those little slots is where they sit. Then we're gonna slide them out of those slotted holes there. I'm probably gonna need two hands for this, one sec. All right, yeah, so this little line here is where the actual wire of the cable sits to lock it in place. So you just move that back and pop it out. So that's how you get it out. Let's go ahead and toss our new one in. We got our new one here. Now it's gonna be a lot easier if you go ahead and put the longer one in first, is what I've learned with these. Just give yourself more room to kind of bend and twist for the shorter one. But yeah, that's pretty much it guys. We're gonna go ahead and just do everything in reverse now. Once you have it back in place, obviously get your panel back in place. Don't forget your connectors here. Now in the beginning of the video, I did say that I was doing both doors, and I just want to make it clear, they are pretty much the exact same procedure. The only difference is that you do not have this connector, because that connector is for power mirrors, stuff like that. So passenger side does not have that one, but it is literally the exact same procedure. So I won't bother you making another video about that one. Like I said, guys, 2008 Kia Sportage. If you have any other questions, this is one of our personal vehicles here, and we're going to be doing a lot of work to it. So if you guys need to see something, you want to know how to do something on this vehicle, let me know in the comments down below. I'll try to make as many videos as I can on this one. That's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching. Please click like, please click subscribe, and click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.